This is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2019 Nissan X-Trail stock number 6343. This ran from the 5th 2017 to the 7th 2022. It has an M9R 2-litre turbo diesel engine backed by a CVT transmission. This is the M9R 2-litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left rear door 1 small crease. Left rear 17-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.